maximize your home internet speeds. Maximize your streaming and gaming with the world's fastest 2-in-1 cable modem and Wi-Fi router. The all-new Nighthawk AC1900 Wi-Fi cable modem router by Netgear. With top AC1900 Wi-Fi speeds of up to 1.9 gigabits per second, the Nighthawk cable modem router is equipped with the latest 24x8 channel bonding modem technology. Cable internet providers use data channels to deliver the internet to your home. These channels are much like lanes on a highway. The more channels your cable modem router has, the more you avoid internet congestion and the faster your internet goes. The Nighthawk cable modem router supports industry-leading 24 downstream channels to ensure uninterrupted HD or 4K streaming, even during peak hours. This creates a highly reliable, fast, and constant internet connection. Additionally, this technology is a requirement if you want to use the highest broadband speed tiers your cable internet provider has to offer. Maximize your streaming and gaming with a powerful dual processor and DOCSIS 3.0 technology, which delivers maximum speeds for uninterrupted video streaming. Ensuring your video streaming doesn't lag or buffer. Boost your Wi-Fi coverage and speed with Beamforming Plus technology for the newest 802.11ac Wi-Fi devices like the iPhone 6, Samsung Galaxy 4, and MacBook Air. And save money by eliminating monthly equipment rental fees from your cable service provider. The all-new Nighthawk AC1900 Wi-Fi cable modem router by Netgear.
Hey guys, I'm Joey and I'm from TP-Link. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Archer C4000, which is a tri-band router with home care. Let's take a look inside the box. Archer C4000 tri-band Wi-Fi router has the ultimate performance with an 1.8 GHz quad-core CPU and features other technologies such as multiple user, multiple in, multiple out, which allows the router to transfer data to multiple devices at once. Range boost, which helps to provide the strongest Wi-Fi connection to every connected device. Home care, which can protect every device on your network from cyber threats. IFTTT, which stands for if this and that. This will allow for basic automation for your home or smart apps. Voice control. Connect with your Amazon Alexa account to easily perform changes for settings, guest network, night mode, speed test, and quality of service. Taking a look at the back of the Archer C4000, we see it has one USB 3.0 port, 1 gigabit WAN port used for connecting to your internet, 4 gigabit LAN ports used for hardwire connecting to other devices, 1 USB 2.0 port, a reset pin, and a power button.
Experience next-gen Wi-Fi 6 with the TP-Link Archer AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 router. With the latest Wi-Fi 6 speeds at up to 1.8 gigabits per second, minimizes network congestion and provides you with a smoother, more enjoyable experience. Revolutionary OFDMA technology expands the network capacity by 4 times, allowing you to connect all your favorite devices at once with no reduced speeds or buffering. 4 adjustable high-gain antennas combined with beamforming technology ensures you have coverage that is custom to any home. A quad-core CPU powers the back end, ensuring you experience optimal performance all the time. And have peace of mind with the latest WPA3 encryption, pushing your Wi-Fi security to the next level. The intuitive Tether app guides you through a step-by-step setup and offers easy management when you're home or away. Enjoy the new era of Wi-Fi with the TP-Link Archer AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 router.
We are here today to show you the Nighthawk AX12, our flagship product featuring Wi-Fi 6. AX12 offers ultra-fast Wi-Fi speeds of up to 6 gigabits per second, with up to 4 times the capacity of traditional AC1200 routers, giving you faster Wi-Fi, more capacity, and better performance. The box shows you all of the AX12's industry-latest hardware specifications. Listed on the side of the box are the tech specs for AX12's 12-stream AX6000 Wi-Fi. The back of the box explains why Wi-Fi 6 is a big deal. More applications, more capacity. Now, let's take a look at what we have in the box. Let's get started. Carefully remove the protective foam insert between the 2 wings. Lift up both of the wings and lightly press them down into their upright and locked position. Your router is now ready to be installed. Underneath the unit, you will see the quick start guide that will instruct you to download the Nighthawk app, which you'll use to install the router. The accessories at the bottom of the box include a power adapter for your router and an Ethernet cable, which you'll use to plug into your current internet service provider device, like a cable modem in your home. On the back of the unit, you can see the 5 gigabit ports, 1 5G multi-gig port, and 2 USB 3 ports. Plug in one end of the included Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port labeled Internet WAN in yellow text. Then, plug in the other end into one of the Internet LAN ports of your ISP device. When looking at the back of your AX12, the power adapter will plug into the power port on the back of the AX12. Plug in the power brick into a wall outlet to power up your router. Once your router's LED light turns on, you can follow the step-by-step setup process using the Nighthawk app. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.